Hello guys, welcome back. And so far you have learned a lot of Cypress, but there is still much more to explore and learn. In this lesson I will show you another very important topic, and that is working with Checkbox. Again, in Cypress it's super easy, so we can stay on our login page for a while and we can try to mark this checkbox before we submit the login form. So let's inspect it. And as you can see, it's another input, but this one is of type checkbox. So let's open the text editor, and right before we click on the sign in button, let's add one more test step, and let's give it a description: should mark checkbox. So how to do it? Again, this is simple one-line command. We will start with sci.get, and we want to get that element of type checkbox. So we know that its input, its type is checkbox, like this. And once we get it, we need to click on it to make sure it's marked. So just do sci.get, target the checkbox and click on it. And for the purpose of this demonstration, I will use sci.wait, and I'm gonna give it, let's say, 5 seconds, so we can see it on the right side that the checkbox is successfully clicked, because after we click on sign in, of course the page gets refreshed and the checkbox will disappear. So make sure you put some wait so we can actually see it. And npm run sci open. And now click on login spec. And as you can see, the checkbox is successfully marked and we are waiting for 5 seconds. We click on sign in and the page gets refreshed and the error message appears. So if you look here, it's actually super easy that our test just get the checkbox. He clicked on that, so you can see it was clicked, and now it's just waiting for 5 seconds so we can see it that it was actually true. So I think that's it. This is how you can simply interact with checkboxes. Again, if there is a multiple checkboxes, you can just use a more specific selector. For example, you can put for each checkbox, you can do, for example, ID or class. And if you want to work with radio buttons, etc., you will do it exactly like this. You will get it as a selector and then you will click on it. And we can remove the pause because we no longer need it. And yeah, I think we are good and we can move to the next videos.